I got some good news. FedEx just called me. They found my lost set of wheels. Years ago, I used to have a 2.5 RS Subaru Impreza that I had for a long time, and I swapped it. I had an STI driveline in it, Brembos, the whole 9 yards, wide body. It was my baby, and some things happened in my life, and I had to kind of neglect it, and ended up parting it out and getting rid of it. Anyway, I sold the wheels to a buddy of mine, and he moved halfway across the country, took the wheels with him, and they've been sitting in storage pretty much ever since. He used them very little. Well, I purchased them back from him. So I get a tiny bit of my old car back, and I just had to ship them from halfway across the country to here to Jersey. So my buddy packaged them up for me. I sent him shipping labels. FedEx picked them up. A couple days later, FedEx drops off 2 wheels. They were shipped together in groups of 2, so 2 packages, 2 wheels each. Long story short, FedEx lost the other set of wheels, and I've been on the phone with them on and off trying to resolve where these went. I need, they have sentimental value. They're insured, but I really wanted the wheels back. Well, they just called me. They found them, and they are sitting at my local FedEx ground distribution place. So I'm on my way there to pick them up now. Leaving FedEx now. I got 1 wheel in the trunk, and another one in the back seat here, and I'm super excited that I got my wheels back finally. It's been a long time since I've seen them. They're dirty, they need some love, but I got it. And there's an STI up here. We made it home. Let's look at these wheels. Oh man, they're dirty. Anyway, let me get these out and wash them off and see how they look after they're nice and clean. The other two wheels that I received on time, I cleaned off camera here. I'm going to lay them out, you know, on the appropriate corners that they're going to. And let's get these things installed and see what they look like on the car. Need to get some different ones. It'll work for now. Just need some spline valves. Probably been 7 years. One more lead. One más. I'm so sweaty. Look at me. Sweating. Click, 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 click. Always torque your wheels to the proper specs. We're almost done. I'm so sweaty. I don't know if you can see the sweat on there. It's disgusting. All right, let's get these stock wheels rolled inside here. I'm gonna cut you off here, and I'm gonna get the stock wheels stacked inside. Then I'm gonna air up the tires, and I'll cut back to you once I get that done, because y'all don't want to hear the compressor. Alright guys, we're out at the local park here, and I got the wheels all mounted up and cleaned, and they're looking good. They fit great. They're nice and meaty. They definitely fill the quarter panels nicely. Don't think I could fit a wider tire on it, that's for sure. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you liked this episode. There's going to be more stuff on the Legacy coming up soon. There's a lot of room under these wheels for maybe something to get added, so we'll see if that happens or not. But Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and smash the like button if you didn't already do that. Thanks. See you later.